So on this one, the part that I want to show you is the numbers 11 and 12 on the remembering side of the homework page. I know that this can be kind of confusing. And so if we look at number 11, I wrote it out more horizontally. See, they did it where it kind of got cut off and then they continued on the next line. So I'm writing it out horizontally like this. And so if we look at the equal sign, we look at that as kind of being our divider. And we're saying what's going on this side compared to this side? What's missing and what can I put in there? So if we look at this side, we've got this parenthesis here with 4 plus 7 inside of it. And then in front, we have a 3 plus. Over here, we've got this parenthesis, we've got a box, which means we got to put a number in there, plus 4, and that's all in parentheses, plus a 7. Now, they have an extra parenthesis. I was trying to figure out where it came from. It actually shouldn't be there. I don't think I can erase it on mine, but that just shouldn't be there. Okay, so if we scribble that out, okay, that shouldn't be there. But anyway, the whole point of it isn't that. It's more what's going on. Look, I have the 4 here, and I have a 4 here. I have the 7 here, I have the 7 here. I still have the plus. Okay, so what I haven't done yet is on this side, I haven't addressed the 3 plus. And then over here, if you look, the box is where the 3 is. And so the idea is that what's missing is the 3. And as all they did that was different, if you notice, is the parentheses are on the 4 plus 7, and now the parentheses are on the 3 plus 4. And in order of operations, if you remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally from your youth, we have to do parentheses first. We have to do what's in parentheses first. So in this one, we would add the 4 and the 7 first, so we would get 3 plus 11. But on this one, I would add the 3 and the 4 first, so I would get 7 plus, and then the 7 is still there. And no matter which way you do that, you're still going to get whatever those two things are. Both of them should come up with the same answer. I'll let you answer that and put it in the triangle. But the idea is you can move the bubble when you're adding. You can move this bubble. It's called the associative property. And so you can move the bubble and still get the same thing. Okay, now on the second one, number 12, notice the bubble is in the beginning still, so we didn't move the bubble. Instead, look at what happened. The 64 is still there. Okay, the 36 is still here, but you'll notice it actually moved to where the 48 was. See where the 48 used to be right there? So that means what's missing is the 48. And so the idea is we've switched 36 and 48 between these two problems. That's called the commutative property, and you can do that with adding also. And so now we still do what the bubble says, but see, here's why we did the commutative property. This added together isn't all that easy, but these ones added together gives me 100. And so we like that because 100 is much easier to add to 48 to give us whatever we put in there. But over here, if we add this together, what do we get? We get like 112 plus 36. That's not as easy to add together. So sometimes we move things around. Using the commutative property, we move things around so we can add easier. This is really tough, and so you're probably needing to watch this just so you can do these two problems. And the kids are expected to kind of struggle with this because it's not an easy thing to remember, but here's how you do. Good luck.